In recent times, many people, regardless of age, have been suffering from knee pain. The primary reasons for knee pain are a lack of calcium and the absence of sufficient cartilage in the knees. Let's explore the fruits that help promote cartilage production and reduce knee pain. 1. Watermelon. Including watermelon in your regular diet may help reduce knee pain. The nutrients in it stimulate the production of cartilage in the knees. 2. Guava. Regular consumption of guava can promote cartilage growth in the knees, potentially alleviating knee pain. 3. Strawberries. Adding strawberries to your diet may provide immediate relief from knee pain. The minerals in strawberries encourage cartilage formation in the knees. 4. Wood apple, Bael. Regular consumption of wood apple can aid in cartilage production, which may reduce knee pain. 5. Avocado. Eating avocados regularly supports cartilage growth and may help relieve knee pain. 6. Oranges. Including oranges in your daily diet may reduce knee pain. The vitamins and minerals in oranges promote cartilage formation in the knees. 7. Pineapple. The minerals and vitamins in pineapples stimulate cartilage production in the knees, potentially reducing knee pain. Incorporating these fruits into your diet may contribute to better joint health and relief from knee pain.